Hello, my name is Samar. I am in third standard.
The name of the story?
Try again.
Okay, start reading.
One day, a group of frogs went hopping down a forest. Some frogs hopped and some jumped.
Hmm.
They were happy.
Next.
Two frogs
Were
were jumping
ಹಾಯ್
high.
ಹಾಯ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಾಗಬೇಕು ಧ್ವನಿ
High.
ಹಾಂ
They were so busy jumping
ದ್ಯಾಟ್
that did
ದೇ
they
ಹಾಂ
did not see a pit in the path.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಹಾಂ
They full
ಫೆಲ್
fell into it.
ಫೆಲ್ ಇಂಟು ಇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದು
ಅವು ಚಂದ ಬೀಳ್ತಾವ.
ತೆಗೆದೊಳಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದು ಪಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ತೆಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಸರಿ ಓಕೆ ಓದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ